Turn that light off. What's going on, YouTube? It's almost Christmas, another gift giving season. I got this strong stash going on and the guns are out today, so you know it's gonna be a good video, probably, right? Nobody's been asking me,
Tanner, how do you save money during the Christmas time?
so I figured I'd just tell you guys anyways. That's what this video is gonna be about. I'm gonna create a lithophane for mi madre, my mother. Should I be out there buying my mother the most expensive gift? Absolutely. But here I am. Underwhelming and underachieving. Once again, baby, we're back. So the first thing I did was throw this image to lithophane converter, which you can find on the internet. That's right, you sickos. Any image you want. So we're gonna take a little bit of this thing right here, and then a little bit of that stuff right here, and then maybe a little bit of this stuff right here, and we're gonna end up with, you know, an acceptable Christmas gift, you know, and that's all you can ask for really around this time. So after about 2 hours on the printer, this little guy popped out, and I know what you're thinking. Tanner, this looks terrible. You're really gonna give this to your mom for Christmas? Of all holidays, like St. Patrick's Day, I get it, but Christmas? Come on now. Let me show you what this looks like when you shine some light behind it. Being the boastful individual I am, I took this to Reddit to show off all my accomplishments, and that little mistake probably saved Christmas. I was humbled by Reddit, and rightfully so. Some of you whiz kids out there might have actually realized that this was the negative of the image instead of the positive. If you didn't see it either, well, welcome to the club. There's plenty of room. Let's watch together as Reddit single-handedly takes my sketchy St. Patrick's Day gift and turns it into a Whoville-looking ass, presentable Christmas gift. Yes, it looks significantly better, but just remember that I chose to humble myself in front of all of you. I could have made it appear like I was the smartest genius that ever lived, but here we are. If you were thinking that this video was probably going to be over soon because Tanner never goes all the way with anything he does, you'd usually be right. But not today. Today, we finish a gift. Today, we make history. Today, we change the world. Cue the footage. So guys, it's complete. Surprisingly, the quality is really high. Pretty uncharacteristic of me to produce a high quality piece of material. There are a few issues. The bottom base is a little bit loose. Ideally, this would have been a little bit tighter. I didn't really compensate for all the wires on the inside, so I just ended up having to basically cake boss a whole bunch of hot glue in there. But overall, I think this is pretty solid, and we'll just have to wait for Christmas to see what my mom thinks. But let me turn the lights off and we will see what this thing looks like. Get the bottom. Put the bottom on it. Other way. Put it the other way. Yeah, like that. No. Yep. Now press,
you made this with your thing!
press the button.
That's good. Did you make it with your 3D printer?
Look, if you like cover your hand over it a little bit.
Thank you. Thank you.
I hope you all had a great Christmas, and I hope that you finish out the year strong. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like it, share it, subscribe. I've been on YouTube for about 2 years, and I'm almost at 100 subscribers, so hashtag blessed. Clearly, I need to change something up because it's not necessarily working. So I'll see you guys early next year. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.